Hi, ma'am and sir. My name is Fee Maniago. I'm married, 40 years old, and I have three sons. I worked in Qatar before 4 years and Hong Kong 1 year and 3 months and Saudi 2 years as a domestic helper. My skills is I can cook just a basic only and I'm willing to learn more. I can take care of kids or newborn. That is my experience, a newborn in Hong Kong. Elderly, it's okay for me, but not bedridden. My personality is independent, hardworking, trustworthy, God-fearing, and I'm kindness. I prefer to work alone. I prefer job taking care of kids or newborn or adults, washing clothes, cooking or marketing and cleaning. Thank you.